What is data annotation? Data annotation is labeling or tagging data to make it understandable for machines. It involves adding metadata to raw data and helping AI systems recognize and learn from it. Before we dive into today's topic, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on the latest insights. Types of data annotation. Image annotation. In image annotation, objects or regions of interest within images are labeled. This is vital for computer vision tasks like object detection. Text annotation. Text annotation involves labeling text data, often used for sentiment analysis, named entity recognition, and language processing. Video annotation. Video annotation deals with annotating frames in videos. It's essential for video analysis, action recognition, and autonomous vehicles. Audio annotation. Audio annotation includes tagging audio data for speech recognition and emotion analysis tasks. Isn't this fascinating? Learning about data annotation opens up a world of AI and machine learning possibilities. If you find this video insightful, hit that like button to show your support.